Hi, two friends. Today I've got an unboxing video for you. It is the Tamiya TB04 chassis, and this video has been a long time coming. I mean, I've actually had this kit for about 3 years. It's been sitting in my garage, and I'm gonna unbox it now to show you what's inside before I put it all together. In case you're interested in this chassis. So this is actually, the best way I could describe this chassis, and Tamiya has different levels of kits, and this is the advanced, not the super advanced, but the mid-level advanced kit for shaft-driven four-wheel drive vehicles. All right, their entry level right now is the TT02. And I have that kit, and I think a lot of people have that kit. It's the reason why it's entry is because it's very basic in terms of it's the way that you can make adjustments, okay, to the steering links and all that kind of stuff. You can't, but the TB04 you can. All right, you can change the camber, you can change the droop, all kinds of stuff, and people who are into racing would probably know about these things or understand them more than I do. I don't really race. I just like to build. But you can, the similarities is also where it's got the asymmetrical layout where you got the engine, the EXE, and the receiver on one side, counterbalance with a battery on the other side. All right. So, and it's a rear wheel drive, as you can see. And just show you more of the box, and you see also that the shocks for the front is inline, so it sits very low instead of having a shock tower sitting high up. So if you have a body that has a sharp slopey front end, this is perfect for it. And so and you can see here all the different adjustments that you can make, all the turnbuckles, whereas the TT02 does not. And it also looks like it's got a real aluminum shaft, where the TT02 has like a plastic one. All right, so here are some advertising for hop-up parts. And the kit comes with the Raybrig NXX. I'm probably not going to paint this body. I don't know. It just doesn't appeal to me. But who knows? So here you go. All right. So okay, this looks like body parts, the rear spoiler or wing and mirrors, and then here you have the transmission casing and some miscellaneous parts, and then I don't know what this is. It looks like it is part of the transmission, but I don't know. And then battery retainer, body post mounts, and this is the tub for the body, and it's got a little bit of flex to it. I mean, I'm sure if I start adding pieces together, the flex will go away. I don't know what this is for. Might be for receiver. I don't know. Or it could be. Actually, I have no idea. I don't want to even guess. But yeah, it's like tub. This looks like more than transmission case, possibly motor mounts. So this is for the wheels. Looks like the differentials parts. These are for the shocks, shock housing, transmission, or differentials, I mean. Okay, this is for steering link, shock towers, probably for the rear. Looks like it's the differentials again. The A-arms. Wheels. Or silver saver. And this is the next X body. I mean, actually it looks pretty nice now that I'm looking it over carefully. It looks pretty good. I might paint it after all. I was thinking about selling it, but you know, I might paint this body. Looks good. Okay, wheels. They are medium stiffness. I wouldn't call them really soft, but there's no tread on them at all. So they're racing slicks. And these are the rims. Plastic, by the way, all plastic. All right. Yeah, looks like the drive shaft is aluminum. Front bumper, shocks, springs, pretty stiff, spurs, pinions. Looks like, it feels like it's metal. Body mounts. These look like what part of the shocks, or not sure, or they may be to hold the A-arms. These are the turnbuckle pieces, all plastic. And turnbuckle pieces. Alright. Oil for the shocks. Some metal piece, I'm not sure what it's for. Alright, and spur gears. And then you have the instruction manual. Typical Tamiya quality, very detailed, very thorough. And then instructions for how to paint the body. It does not look like this body has a light bucket, which is disappointing to me because that's one of the things about Tamiya bodies I really like, is they oftentimes come with light buckets. So, and then stickers. Anyway, so there you have it.